Hello and welcome to episode 6 of the weekly KTO news and update series, where each week I will sit down and talk about any of the announcements, events, or anything to do with KTO. First off, now is probably the best time to buy as all taxes, both buy and sell, are reduced to zero. So if you've been looking to pick up some more or even sell, then now would be the best time. I picked up around about like 70 billion the other day, and if the price stays around the same by the end of the month, when the tax sort of starts to end, I'll probably end up picking up some more. The reason why they are doing this is mostly to collect data of both buys and sells, just so they can see how well KTO does without any taxes, and if no taxes are really much of a benefit. The next thing is very exciting. The official KTO Exchange Twitter account is now a verified business on Twitter, which is really good, as when people hear about KTO and go on Twitter to check it up, they will see that it's a verified business, and so it's more like it legitimizes the KTO brand even more. There was a new dev update which came out a bit after the last weekly update, so let's just go over that real quick. For the company and project updates, the Bitmart bot payment has been sent, the event winners and their ledger winner has been sent, and lastly, content creators on YouTube have all been fully paid for the month of May. Token news: the white paper will be updated to reflect the new NFT changes. The KTO converter is under development, which allows trading of KTO at lower fees than a DEX. Development updates are that they had a meeting and stated that they'll have a demo for us to see about every 6 weeks or so, and from then the dev team can start to sort of give us updates on how it's actually going, which is very exciting because we haven't really seen much from now. And of course, the beta will be coming out around about October, September-ish, hopefully, unless there are delays. Again, always be careful of that. All Things KTO number 5 is up on YouTube, so I would highly recommend that you go and check that out, as it's really good to sort of hear some questions from a lot of the community members and just get a better idea of how KTO is doing. And lastly, Alpha is still ongoing, and we are moving closer and closer to the beta release. That's about all for this week, and it was a pretty good week, I'd say. Even though there wasn't a whole ton of news, it was a lot of good news to hear. I know that this video came out a little bit later than usual. I've just been very busy as of recent. Like, this week has been full on, but after around about next week, I should start to relax a little bit more and I can spend more times on videos, which is going to be really good. Anyways, that is all for this week. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.